Good morning, class. Today we are going to start the first experiment of 12th class, that is to determine resistivity of 2 or 3 wires by plotting the graph for the potential difference versus current. For this we have the different apparatus: voltmeter, ammeter, rheostat, one-way key, battery eliminator, connecting wire, and 2 different materials resistance wire, and our theory is Ohm's law. This is the circuit that is used to find this resistance by plotting this graph. This we have the circuit: battery, rheostat, one-way key, ammeter, voltmeter, and the 2 different material wires whose resistance is to be calculated. We have the different observations. We have the voltmeter range, ammeter, least count, length of each wire, and 0 error. Then we have the observation tables here. This is observation table for the wire 1, where we have to give the reading for ammeter and taking voltmeter reading, or giving the voltmeter and taking ammeter and finding the resistance. Then similarly for the wire 2, when we performing the practical. Then we have to calculate the diameter of the wire by using this screw gauge that we have performed in the 11th class. And for this screw gauge we have the pitch, number of divisions, and the least count, that is pitch divided by the circular divisions. Then after we find for this table diameter for wire 1 and wire 2, that is by using this screw gauge. Now after completing the observation table, we have the calculations. These calculations are: from the graph we find the resistance of wire 1, wire 2, length of each wire, diameter, that is by using this screw gauge. Then after that we have the formula for resistivity, that is resistance pi d1 square for L length. And by calculating these values, we calculate the resistivity of first wire, similarly for the second wire. And when we plot the graphs, these are the graphs. Graph for the first wire, taking the voltage along x-axis and current along y-axis. Then we take the cot theta, that will be give the resistance. From the graph we have the resistance for wire 1 and similarly for wire 2. So this is the writing part of the experiment 1, that is called the determine the resistivity of 2 and 3 wires by plotting the graph for potential difference. Now have a look for the apparatus setup. This is our apparatus setup for this practical. For that we need the battery eliminator, we need the ammeter, here we need the voltmeter, and this is called the rheostat, that have the 3 end and 1 of this, and the second is here and the third one is this end, and this is called one-way key. Now according to this circuit diagram, this circuit is arranged. Here we have the positive terminal of battery connected to the positive terminal of ammeter. Its negative is connected to positive of voltmeter. Its negative is connected to the one end of rheostat, and the one end is free for the rheostat, and the second end to this one-way key, and the circuit is complete here. Now we have the 2 different wires. This is wire 1 and the 100 centimeter length. Another wire, we have the another material wire. ठीक है जी, again the length is 100 centimeter. Now how we perform the practical? First take the least count and show the readings of ammeter and voltmeter is at 0. First by changing the rheostat. By changing the rheostat, we give some value to the voltmeter Now here we have some value at the voltmeter, this one, and to this value the correspond value of ammeter that we note down in the observation table. Similarly, by changing some another value of voltmeter reading, by changing this rheostat, again by changing the value we have the another value for the ammeter. Similarly, by performing this experiment, by changing the value of voltmeter and completing the value of ammeter, we complete the corresponding table 1 for the first wire. After this, we replace this wire, this one wire, with the second wire, and it should be connected parallel to the voltmeter because the voltmeter is always connected parallel. By replacing the wire with the second wire, we replacing its one end connected to the negative end of this voltmeter and the second end to the positive end of voltmeter. These are the connecting wires that are made up of the conducting material, and this one here we have second connecting this value, this one. Now in the same circuit setup, and we have the second wire. Now again, when we on the connections and keep changing the voltage with rheostat and note down the values for the second observation table, and again when we change the value of rheostat, give some value to voltmeter, then correspond value to ammeter. Similarly, by changing this rheostat, again we note down the value for voltmeter and value for ammeter. And diameter is found by using the screw gauge, and the least count is for ammeter 0 to 0.5 10 divisions, so one division is 0.5 by 10. Similarly, least count for voltmeter 0.5 by 10, that is again 0.5 divided by 10 is the least count of voltmeter. So we have, by keeping this different observation table values, we note down the corresponding values. Okay, thank you.